can come out here to come enjoy a free, nice show like this, courtesy of UDC. You know how much place in the world people can't gather, so? You know how much place in the world woman can't walk when she feel like, drive when she feel like, do what she feel like. You know how much place in the world slavery still a go on? And we have a beautiful island where we are free. We have a problem, but everywhere have its problem. Everywhere have its problem. But we have to give God thanks to what we have. So I want everybody, the person beside you, just shake them hand and say much love and respect. Because that's who I'm going at 2020 with. You don't have to know the person beside you. Because in the world, there are no strangers, just people who we don't meet yet. So I want you to shake the person hand beside you and say much love and respect. But the person behind you, beside you, much love and respect. Because you see, we start dealing with each other like family members and treat others how we would want to be treated, we'd are better off. The bloodshedding and the bloodletting must stop. And when you check the levels, what we are war for can pan. What we are fight for can steer. It no make no sense. Right about now, no dance now keep over Dove Cut. No fireworks now they over Meadow-Rest. What we are going so far? 2020 we have to deal with it better. I may talk about respect and parents. May I talk to Uno too. It starts from the home. It starts from the home. No found not going to put in a discipline. No respect and teach them to respect people. And when them reach 13 and start biting off on the ears, you no wonder why. Sometimes you see some people nowadays I walk past you. No morning, no evening, no good night. Discipline starts in the home. You know, if you're rich, you have manners. And if you're poor, you can't have manners too, right? So for the 2020, we are striving for our respect and we are striving for love. In order to get rid of darkness, we have to shed the light, all right? So clap love one time again for me. Clap love for me now. Clap love for me now. All who have love in your heart, clap for me now. Clap for me now. All who want to see a little more love in Jamaica, clap for me now. Clap for me now. No government, no private sector, nobody can do it. And we as the people of the country have to do it. From our heart we have to do it. It no matter how much big house we have, how much big car, how much flyover. If we are kill each other like fly, it's not going to make no sense. Respect and love. And that me I deal with. But you know what me I deal with too? Hey, party me I deal with. What are they? Delhi are you? That's what they saw? Where is Delhi? Because when I see Delhi, I know it's party time. Jane, please secure my sneakers come. Because me's a woman me ever ready. What one good girl, Jade? Big up Promish Entertainment. Them no more than me. Me say Kitty Ravers. Who vex? All of the women them who can dance, I want to get ready right now. Thank you, good girl. No car. I want to change my shoes. Yeah, girl. I'm ready for this. Them think them video man about a video my can't for my toe, you know. Oh, coming on no good feet. Yeah. And big up everybody who have can pan toe. It don't really matter. Because some people that want 2 foot right now. Me I right with my size 11. Me no shame. Big up all the ladies that me wear lunchtime. And 1 minute past lunchtime. Do not shame. You have 2 foot, no? Yeah, Jane, thank you. Big up my stylist, Jane. Yeah, girl. Why? Ready? I know. Why? I'm ready. Because this man I'm about to call on stage right now. I got it. Delhi, what you have? What you have? You have something there, so Delhi? What you have? You have nothing for me? What you have? Drop something, what you have now? Drop something, what you have now? Drop something. Come ready. A party time, we're ready for party now, no? Party time now, no? Delhi come now. Delhi warmer. Oh, ready? Are they say there? Party time, Dongaton, UDC. Woyoy. Who remember Bogle?
Yeah. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on.
What?
Oh, in a rise and boast.
Yeah. Who remember Delamood?
On the news, me in my prime, on the crime, with the dollar sign, money for my mind. Someone on the time to spend.
Yeah. That's how it again. What the builder them there? the money makers, ready now? Brick pam brick.
Brick pam brick.
Yeah.
Brick pam brick pam brick.
And like you say,
Brick pam brick. Brick pam. Here's what the fire.
oh my God. Oh my God. Well, I feel like I want to dance and get mad right now. So I feel like I want to go for the dancing king right now. I feel like I need to go over Nannyville right now. I feel like I want Siva. I feel like I want snapping. I feel like I want good thing them. I feel like I want rave. Fireworks downtown, make some noise for the dancing king with a good dance them. Ding, dong, and the ravers.
Yeah, man. I ding dong ravers out there without fear.
Oh, you see if you don't want cheer, you get a get up to you now. You don't bother with that.
Yo, ding.
Ready?
What kind of cologne you are wearing, brother?
Yeah.
This is not Jamaica.
Don't at all. Tivoli Guard, Matches Lane, Southside, Tel Aviv, Spoilers, Love Lane, Fletcher's Land, Mark Lane, King Street, East Street, Pink Lane, Spanish Town Road, West Street, Eastern Street, Brighton Street,
Ding dong ravers.
Bond Street.
Live from Kingston, Jamaica.
Out there, out there, out there.
Go. Are you ready for party?
Wellington Town, Alman Town.
When I say ding dong, you say ravers.
Them a town, then I'm town.
Ding dong.
Yo.
All right now. Miss Kitty, I have so one different party start. Bad, we bad. Bad, down here we bad. Who did get up round here? Everybody down a town, one and your bad man forward. Aye, they'll miss. Down a town, we have the good thing there. Tivoli, we have the good thing there. King Street have the good thing there. Maybe rhythm rub down, maybe rhythm rub. Me no like when Mr. Cheer down. Pull up. Aye. Down a town. You see that event here? Of the poor people. Let me talk to you now, wake you know.
Yeah.
Of the poor people. You see VIP, when you start making it in the ear for me. I like when the people in the right in front of me and so. And you see now they in front of me. Me we go to them. I don't have town my born. I'm not afraid of town. Town people are my people there. Pull a real in the security. I'm stand up in my town people and them rub off family could be good God man. When I bar the people, I'm not going to feel like I'm a prisoner. You feel like town people are prisoner? Pull this and move there. Dale! Play my song again! Run your son on the town! Pull up! Wanna see what me a talk about? Me no want to not pull no railing for my people them down at all. If we not keep the summer for the people them down at town, keep it for them down at town. Down at town, you know me up. Play the song again, Del. Hi! Good thing there. Down at town have the good thing there. Tivoli we have the good thing there. Matches the have the horse. Come on the road. Me have to wear the good thing there. The good clothes and the good shoes there. Good chain and the good ring there.
I'm stepping in the bar.
Pull up there. Sorry there. Sorry, security, where you bar me up for?
Yo.
Security, stop bar me up.
everybody make
Officer,
some noise for ding
me
dong.
all right, at my place, officer. Sorry, the officer. Me don't need security. I don't got town, I pass me use. Sorry, the bright light here bright me and I blind me. Give me round yesterday. Let me go closer to my people in my town. They'll play my song again, Dale. Hi! Good thing there. Don't a town have the good thing there. Round yesterday, we have the good thing. The light here bright me. Hi! When on the road, me have to wear the good thing. Hi! The good clothes and the good shoes.
Yes.
Good chain and the good ring.
I was shopping at the mall and the good store.
See the car when me drive and the good car. Pull up there. Pull up. Sorry, I'm my way to tell the people them good night. Zine, big up to my people them the writer, so the happy birthday and happy New Year's people them. When you forget to put on a chair. Don't make me questioning, yeah? When you spend ding dong and ravers up on the stage, me no want to see nobody a sit down. Police officer, me no want to see no hand in a pocket. Zine, enjoy, yo, push me up on the stage. Where me go? Sorry about that, my people. If me drop, don't post it on Instagram. I make them laugh off of me. Oi! Don't a town good night now. Make we enjoy ourselves. They'll play the next one now then.
Yeah.
Miss Kitty, you're there. Upstairs, round there, sir. All who are sitting down there, sir. Dance you over dance to me like I did dance to people. Watch a ravers. Dance you over dance to me. I did dance to people them. The dance on the cha-cha. Fury. 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 Round there, sir. Everybody. If you want me can be another. Well, every man in me could figure that shot. Clear too hot. Hot. No, that. Fury. You know, see the real. I pull it.
Good night, man, Sakani.
Well, every dance on me roll is scared. Hot. Come up. Fury. Let's see me close and me can't watch.
Clearly.
Don't come, make a party. Come on.
Everybody, side to side. Finish shoulder. Side to side. Everybody, we are done.
Don't
Alright, tell them.
love me. All right, pull up. Don't turn. You don't ramp with me. You can't sing louder than that. If you sing a little louder, I make them move the bar, them want to come at the front of the stage. You don't have to sing it louder though. Make them see the reason why I fight for you to come at the front of the stage for. You don't stop shy up on yourself now. Someone I go like couldn't use the mackerel and rice and chicken back. You don't sing loud. I fool the party. Play the song again then. Follow me and ding dong ravers.
Tell them it.
Big up on minister people. Ding dong ravers. When I want to name.
Low enough.
Don't a town. Them I said I want to name low. Ding dong I said oi. Don't a town. You don't sing no man. Well everybody does.
Low it.
That's all Mr. Mixed.
Low it. Shots on it.
What's your style here?
Shots on it. Alright. Music.
We are Chacha boy, be a Chacha the cigar, we. Chacha boy, be a Chacha the cigar. We are Chacha boy, spend we money, no give up. Chacha boy, do it.
Take it to the
Stop food, the color, knocking light jacket. Whoa! Hold on there. Miss Kitty, we can't call Pitney on the stage though. We can't bring up on one Pitney. Now one kid is part of this. Why one Pitney come here? Somebody one Pitney send them come. Show him up on the stage. That's why I'm telling you, the barrier, it not gonna work. Come back, ravers, one man. Good. Watch it now. One little girl come up. Because sometimes the girl pitney them dance better than the boy pitney them.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but come little girl. Push her up on the stage, Scrappy. Yeah. Push her. Jesus. The dear shoe, she not, you know. Put on your glasses now. Yeah, put on your glasses. Put on your glass. Put on your glass. She not popcorn hairstyle. Yeah. Watch a little girl come. Come on the front there, sir. Yeah. All right, go there, son. You go in the middle now. Always remember to protect the females, them, all right? You're a kid? You're going to protect the woman, then. That means, you have to make them dance better than you. So you're going to get grand and them going to get $2,000. Give it up from now. Play the song again. Let me see if you know that one here.
Style,
Watch a style here. You don't know that dance here? Dance, go there, sir.
music.
We are Chacha. Oh, no. Oh, no.
They go
Oh,
away.
no.
Chacha boy.
Them
They go away.
Them know everything how we do.
Take it to them.
That food. Me call you not king like one and the No, sir. Them bad. Them bad. Hold on there. Them too bad. Yeah. Yeah, look a bit. Good. Good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Uncle.
Good.
Thank you, Uncle Ding
Watch out
Dong.
now. Put them in your pocket. Don't
Yeah.
give your mother. Buy ice cream and buy sweetie and rotten on the teeth. Don't give your mother or your father. Okay? Hey, mothers and fathers, I feed them money, yeah? Make them spend it. The holiday and I done it. More to do it, put on back your glasses. Put on back your glasses, my friend. What are we for your Deja? Put on back your glasses. Play the song again now, Del. Dance, come yourself here, dance.
What's your style, yeah?
Dance with the pinny them.
Music.
We are Chacha boy, be a Chacha ni Sigua, well? Chacha boy, be a Chacha ni Sigua. We are Chacha boy, spend we money, no give up. Chacha boy, jewelry, a sleep in a phone. Me call a kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex with a in a me, high grade. Where you get it from up a Barbie. Road, 10 cars, giving it a life. Italy, no brother, we are some Thailand. How dear, a big girl, with up to it. 100 guys, fuck up, you want something.
Alright, get in the dance.
We are Chacha boy, be a Chacha.
We go away.
Chacha boy.
We go away.
What on there? Level. Wanna come back here, sir? Any on the bus to crowd? You see that squad there? The police officer there? Any on the bus to crowd? Him have to go to 2 grand each. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Don't move in a police officer. Any on the bus to place? My general right there, sir. Him a go to 2 grand each. You don't want the 2 grand? Play the next song.
Harry, Harry, if you shoulder now.
All right, my squad here. Get ready to play. Play.
Hey,
Man, shoulder for your play. Hey, get your shoulder for your play. Don't you put it on my barrel. Ding dong, ding dong. Everybody now play. Hey. Don't forget the money. You see how loud in the talk now? You see how loud in the talk now? Squad here moving on. Squad in it. My police brethren said, listen to me, me not have it tonight. It now going to happen tonight. We are going to enjoy ourselves. We are going to give them, well, all right. A Christmas and New Year's in a one. The only way, me are going to give them the money, everybody will sit on yourself. If you're not over 60, or if you're not under 5 years, will get up out of the chair. If you not get up out of the chair, me not give them the money. Me go see who wicked to them pick me up on the stage. If you're not over 60, or if you're not, no, better yet. If you're not over 90 years old, or if you're not under 1 year old, you're going to get up. And me give them the money. See it, I'm going to take it out. Miss Kitty, come here. You count out 6 grand and give them for me, please. Yes. Count out 6 grand, Miss Kitty. Because I don't, move the chairs them to the side. Please, because this is where I'm going to use excitement. Come out this up on the platform. The liquor pit them full of brightness up on the platform. Get up out on a chair. That chair is something that never make no sense. Because upstairs have balcony and yarn. Good. When you shouldn't have free up yourself, you get up people then. But me I go do it. Take time do it. Get up out on a chair now. Miss Kitty. How much you take out of it? Miss Kitty, I like how you stay now. That look more than 6. Cool, how much you take out, cool?
No, I stay good. I have 6.
All right, give me the rest of the money, Kitty. Okay. That's not 6. Me I go count it.
What?
Me I go count it.
Sure.
Come here, so back now. I go make on a dance with Cool Ravers for the first time. Cool, come out here, so Cool. Come with them. This is how we endorse the youths of the future. Everybody get up out on a chair, please, and give it up for the kids. Play the song again now, Del.
Harry, Harry,
Go for them, brother.
now, fling.
Sonia, you're there. Come on. Come on.
Hey,
Man, shoulder for your flip.
Hey,
Tell your shoulder for your flip. Cool Ravers are power. Are you my money in the pot? Hey, flip.
hey,
Tell your shoulder for your flip. Hey, tell your shoulder for your flip. Hey, what you words you are speaking and talk with your bad man thing. Flip. Hey, man, shoulder for your flip. Hey, you have me see him blink, blink. Hey, bad mind is a sin. You know the way. Dancers, select good in weather. If you find them, put it at your feather. No bad mind, my brother, when him a go to leather. Money, man, a double up. Run them, the wall, let them pull up. Pull up. Play the next song then. Don't let them move you. Try that one I know.
Stop on this.
Everybody run. Who the bus down there? Hey, see the dancer. You know me like more about my career. That I can perform feel littlest of people them and the oldest of people. You see a little girl that over here saying all clippers and all ribbon and all some of them. What's up, goodie, you okay? She gets shy now. Too much camera. She was doing so well just now. Let me leave her. Come on, she dance and enjoy herself. We can't come dance with you. Excuse me. Hello? Hello? Psst. I can't come dance with you? Oh God, she gets shy. I can't come dance with you? Yo! That's the power of music. Play the song again, then. Hold on.
Stop on this now.
Miss Kitty, come here. Give them the money, Miss Kitty. Give them the money. See the money here. I hear money that. I hear money that. Your money that. Your money that. Fee money. Watch him face. Him face. Pull up, pull up. Pull up. Boy, face light up like pepper light. Come here. I want to take them back off of the States, copy. Mothers and fathers, if you never take the whole of the money, we don't have to spend it for them. Give them at least a grand for themselves, please. Yeah? We not fighting, because I know the things there. We not have to buy food, we not have to buy clothes. Huh? Miss Kitty, do what? Miss Kitty, you know somebody trust you?
Of course you trust me. I was going to give it actually to another child.
Yeah, I believe you, Miss Kitty.
Because I know how you're benevolent
Miss
and
Kitty,
loving.
them can't set up me and you.
Thank you, Abby. Here's
Play the song now, no, man, Miss Kitty, give who you want, get.
Oh,
Wisdom, come out, yes, sir.
Already?
Rivers out, yes, sir. Everybody, everybody, yes, sir. Oh, sit it down, 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 stop him down, stop him down, stop him down, stop him down. Everybody know, do that dancer. Everybody know, how is dancer? Everybody know, do that dancer. Everybody know, it's a dance. Everybody want catch. You want to the box, everybody want. If you turn up in the corner, you want to get left. With a dance. Every dance through, we go on.
Are we lucky?
Fingers snapping, we ain't living. We feel again. Really, me and Chica California. Foreign as I say, sweet. In our love. Watch big belly Latin.
Can't step on my foot. Come on.
We say you do, we say you say you want the match. You say you want the dance everybody. No one nobody better me become snapping. So you want to boy, you do any kidnapping.
Oh, Lord, Lord, stop it. Oh, Lord, Lord, stop it. Oh, Lord, Lord, stop it. Oh, Lord, Lord, stop it.
This thing to the left and to the right and then you stop. Some of them are imitate to think what them are crap. Never say them better than we, give them a clap. Say them around the place where they go and go run a lap. See people you put them, you rock to the corner pocket. You just say no worry, we so rivers cause she have it.
Hey, hey. School and the teacher, them must stop it, me no know about the
Rock, rock.
Stop at him.
Stop at you. Stop.
Real time, no dance, you don't know. Real basta, real basta, real basta, real basta. I don't say that. Real basta, don't say that. Real basta, 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 real basta. Don't say, don't say. Miss Kitty, don't say. Oh, Miss Kitty, oh,
Stop there. All right then.
Miss Kitty, real basta, real basta, real basta, real basta, real
And
basta.
then the lead, then the rock. Hey, Miss Kitty got the flow. And now you know. Come on.
Everybody be a rock here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, lean and the rocker. I could have danced and you love and calypso.
Yeah.
Real basta in your soul, make you disco.
Yeah.
Hey, dirty bad mind, make you dance.
What's that?
Hey, lean and the rocker.
What?
Could have danced and you love and calypso.
Yeah.
Real basta in the soul, make you switch.
Yeah.
Hey, dirty bad mind, make you dance.
All right. Everybody, make a rock so. Hey, and then the lead, then the rock.
Dance.
Boy, I got the flow. And then you know. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me.
Everybody for your dance. Everybody for your dance. Upstairs, everybody for your dance. You want to say everybody for your dance to me, no? Everybody was a dance to me, no? Dance to me, no? Everybody was a dance to me, no?
All right, tell them.
Dancing, gotta say, big up to Boglo. Everybody know a ding dong, eh? Run this country.
Alright, tell them.
People love the way rivers dance and move it up. Everybody pre-win at the party. Girl, I touch you with body.
Alright, ding dong, ravers, tell them.
Everywhere ding dong and ravers go play smash up, you know.
Play smash up, you know.
Everybody wanna vibes, everybody feel good, pan a hole, you know.
Pan a hole, you know.
Every time we touch in at the club, everybody catch a vibes, you know.
Get a vibes, you know.
We just dance, you know.
Alright.
Everybody catch this.
Do dance.
Come catch this.
Do dance.
Everybody catch
No,
this.
my phone. Where the dance
Come catch
there?
this.
Where the dance there?
Lady. Play next one.
Bro. Bro. Alright, go for
Which
them.
one do a party tonight, bro? Anyway, yesterday, girl, them got the we go. No worry about the color, carry for me money flow.
What is going on?
What is going on here?
What is going on with the sound?
Everybody make some noise for Ding Dong and the Ravers Clavers.
What is going on here?
You want more Ding Dong? Say Ding Dong. Say Ding Dong.
Alright, let's do this.
This sound is just a warm-up.
Yeah.
On a fool, so.
Yes, it's
This
true.
sound is just a warm-up. People, them couldn't take me off of the stage. Them couldn't go for the most police in the world. Me nah come off. Cause me have some song where me have to sing. All who proud say them a Jamaican one another year. All who proud of the ghetto where them come from one another year. All who proud of down a town one another year. Everybody be not careful now, PNP and labor right. But want to put it another year and want Jamaica we are deal with. They'll play the song now, please and thanks. Everybody make sure the tune and feed me. Play the song now there. Good God Jesus. Pull up. Hey, it's the next time.
Something is wrong.
Make sure our bands me get next time. Come in now, go do this with a sound something here. People, but just a different, you know. If we want to get some space at the front of the stage. We know our party. I saw we party, right, Mommy T? Yeah. At the front of the stage and scream and then
Them
sing.
all right, Ding. Them all right.
Them all right?
Yeah, them all right, man. Them all right. Big
Them
up to the
good.
security officers.
Yeah.
The police officers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, not all right. Well, look, go on with Ding dead now. Hey, me not go there.
It's on a change now.
Yeah, bands change.
This is why I love Miss Kitty. Come here, Miss Kitty.
Yes, honey.
Because she knows how to entertain a crowd. A lot of people can't do a Miss Kitty, though. But she knows how to entertain a crowd.
Thank you.
Right, Miss Kitty?
Thank you.
Me step in at the club, I dance over dover, and a girl come and wind up on me.
She can't settle back against the wall.
I know she wa-
climb up
You know the
on
song?
me. I look sticky and
Don't get to her, Miss Kitty. Hold it. Don't get to Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty and a passa you there. Don't get to Miss Kitty.
Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine.
Hold on there. It's still a change.
Dirty wine.
We can't deal with this. This has stressed me out. This has stressed me out, Kitty.
I want that little girl over there. Mommy, take your little
Sue
girl
ready.
there. The one with the little bubbles in her hair.
Yeah, and the clip.
And the one in the
The
pink
bubbles
as well.
and the clip.
Yeah, the bubbles and the
Yeah.
clip.
Jade, make sure next year bands we get.
Carol,
Yeah?
come please.
And now do the sound something here
I
next
see
year.
them over there dancing.
You ready again? Yeah.
Hold on the thing. I want
Yeah.
to make sure. So I'm going to take the opportunity for big up Ding Dong and the Ravers Clavers as well.
Yeah.
Ding, you've worked so hard. We've seen the growth.
Suffering,
We've
sir.
seen the progress. We see the hard work where you put in.
Yeah.
To do what you do is not easy.
Yeah.
You're not an artist that come on stage and stand up.
Yeah.
You are for the people. You are for the children.
Yeah.
And you're artists that can book for Buckingham Palace.
Yeah.
Jamaica House.
Yeah.
Downtown.
Yeah.
Anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
And it's not every artist have that versatility.
Yeah.
And I wanted to salute you. Big
Respect,
up to Bravo.
Miss Kitty.
Big up to the whole
Respect.
Ravers crew.
Yeah.
'Cause everyone gonna lock it.
Yes.
When we know something the show, I'm good. But let's make sure I walk with my sneakers because Kitty Ravers have to come out.
Yes, Miss
So everybody
Kitty.
make some nice Ding Dong Ravers. And Ding Dong is not where you come from or where you go.
No.
And Ding Dong is living proof. So when you work hard,
Yeah.
you believe you
Yeah.
can achieve.
Yeah.
Here, baby. Say thanks, Uncle Ding Dong.
Thanks, Uncle Ding Dong.
Yay! All right, baby, come, honey. Come, baby. You can put her up. One good body man, sir. You. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Come to auntie. Hi. What's your name?
Adam.
And this is say thanks, Uncle Ding Dong.
Thanks on the kingdom.
Aw, love you. We never dare get none of us bear from the infant from man. Take money for good. After me a peel a thing, cause when man give money I have to peel a thing, I want son. Yeah. Pack with 10 for him, yeah. So you peel for him, you peel, yeah. You man not give money, I give him. Crazy, you have to peel a thing for rainy days. So if anything you want, borrow it back, yeah.
TVJ now presents Fireworks on the Waterfront.
You know, last year I was told that they had 300,000 folks downtown Kingston for fireworks on the waterfront. Started all the way back in 1999. And this year, just coming from outside, I'd be surprised if 300,000 there. We don't have 300,000 already. We welcome you to the fireworks on the waterfront, put on by the UDC with some other sponsors, and a beautiful sight. Lots of folks, some great performances thus far. Had Jermaine Edwards, who really did well. Etana was there, and you're hearing in the background Ding Dong and the Ravers, Miss Kitty, IT, Fancy Cat. They're all here, and there is still lots more to go. We end 2019 in just a little while, and hopefully all of us will be here for 2020. I'm Neville. Once again, we welcome you as we do every single year since this started. We've been here, and we're having a great time. I'm going to throw you up on stage, catch a little bit of Ding Dong, and when we come back, I'll have His Worship the Mayor with me.
Everybody go!
Slim, Jim, we know Madeline.
You want to go on the line up?
Everybody, Jim. All right, take it to them now.
Pull up in IG, jump out IG, grind, we go get a gun back.
Woo!
When every girl I say we straight, up top around the street, she want roll with bad man, girl I say we.
Boy, boy.
Did I hear we?
Did I hear me?
Some boy I say them bad like we, man, tell them nearly. Yo, let's see we this up.
Come money, no.
Hey, pull up. They'll don't go about this, sir. People, listen to me now. I want to dance to do not enjoy myself, you know. I want to go in the crowd, a bright light out blind me. Shine at the crowd a little bit. I want to go in the crowd. I want to do something when an artist now go do. Miss Kitty, me can't, one already them say, me can't do this. Play flares in the ear for me there. What a way my time cut short. People not remember say, the music did stop play. Like cricket, we not forget about the time they were passed. You understand? Play flares in the ear now, Daddy.
Flare is in the hair. You catch it, you catch it, you catch it. No matter. Open dancer.
Everybody. When everybody know, clear. Pull up that. Play it again. Drop it. Play it again there.
Flare is in the hair.
Them say I'm last on this.
You catch it, you catch it, you catch it. No matter. There is our.
Them say I'm last on stop it. It's on the last song. Alright, well everybody know, clear.
Let's go. We're flaring. All right, say that.
What on man? Alright, when we walk past people, we tell you now, bro. Now for them, everyone that we catch it now. Tell you them, my wife and family, everybody run up to think about that. Pull up again, then pull up and play it again. And the last song, the light are blind, me good God, man. Give me your song. Me want you to sing your song with me. Don't feel them silent.
Everybody
Don't feel them silent.
Everybody
Don't feel them silent. Everybody dancing now.
Fear.
Anywhere we go, they want to start. Pull up again, man. Play it one more time. Yeah, so far, I'm coming and stuff good that tool that I may have. Play it then. Alright, no man, nothing about it, man. Everybody now. Clear. Pull up then.
Thank you, Ding Dong.
Me I go home.
Thank you, Uncle Ding Dong.
Me I go home.
Everybody make some noise for Ding Dong and the Ravens Clavers. You work for every dollar. I'm not telling a lie. If Ding Dong go hard, make some noise to the artist, no man. Big up to all the Ravens Clavers, Disha.
It is an incredible talent to do what we've seen so far. Ding Dong, the Ravens from Nannyville, and Miss Kitty, and she's kept them really excited since she went on stage. I'm now joined, as I told you, by His Worship, the Mayor Williams is with me. This must be great for you. Downtown Kingston,